Welcome to online tuition. Please subscribe, like and share. In our previous video, we have completed indefinite articles that is a and an. In this video, we are going to learn the uses of definite article the. Uses of article the. When a singular noun represents a whole class, we have to use the article the. For example, the camel is beast of burden. Here, camel represent the whole class of this animal. The camel means about all the camels. The camel speaks. The camel is beast of burden. Second example, the cow is a useful animal. So here the cow is a useful animal means all the cows are useful animals. The wolf is clever animal. Here also the wolf it represents a whole class of these animals. The wolf. The spider has 8 legs. So spider has 8 legs means all the spiders are having 8 legs. So before a singular noun which represents whole class, we have to use this article the. The second uses of this article the is while speaking of something or somebody already referred to. For example, the boy who came to see me yesterday was my brother. We are talking about the boy to whom we have already met. So, the boy. Second example, the story he told us yesterday was very interesting. The story which we have already heard yesterday. We are talking about the story which we have already heard yesterday. So here the story. The article is used before this noun, the story. Third example, I saw a girl in the park. The girl was crying. Here we have already seen one girl and about whom we are talking. So here the girl. The third uses of article the is while speaking of a particular person or thing. One particular person or thing if we are talking. For example, the poor beggar got an apple. The beggar who is very poor. We are talking about one beggar who is very poor. So the poor. Call the man standing outside. So somebody is standing outside the door. We want to call that person. So before that man we can say the man. Call the man standing outside. Next uses of article the. To talk about unique things or events. When we talk about unique things and events, we have to use the article. For example, the Nile is the longest river in the world. So we are talking about the Nile river, which is longest river, unique. So the Nile, the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Sun is unique. Okay, so before sun, the article is used. Some more examples are given here. The moon, the earth, the city, the country, the sea, the weather, etc. The next uses of article the is before the name of holy books. Whatever holy books are there, before them we have to use the article the. That is the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, etc. Now next uses of article the is while referring to the names of journals and newspapers. Whatever newspapers are there, journals are there, before their names we have to use the article the. For example, the New York Times, the Times of India, the Indian Express. These are the newspapers' name. Before them, we have to use the article the. The next uses of article the is before ordinal numbers. So whatever ordinal numbers are there, before them we have to use this definite article, that is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, etc. So for example, the first half of the film is more interesting than the second half. So here the first half and the second half. So the before ordinal numbers the article is used. Next uses of this article is before musical instruments. Whatever musical instruments are there, before them we have to use this definite article the. For example, he can play the flute, the tabla, the guitar, etc. The next uses of article the is when we refer to imaginary geographical lines. Whatever imaginary geographical lines are there, before them we have to use the article. For example, the equator. So here we have to say the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, etc. Thank you, students.